So to start, you need a banana, clean planting material. Okay? And then for the farmer to dig the hole, put the fertilizers in. So that's another fertilizer, and that's another injection of capital, fertilizers. Okay, and then the weeds, because as you can see, there's no weeds in there.
Yeah.
You have to cater for the weeds for about 3 to 4 months.
Yeah.
Okay, weed or spray.
Yeah.
Now, this one has not been sprayed at all for weeds.
Yeah.
Now, once after that, there will be cover, so the leaves will cover it. No more. No more weeds. At that time, when you deflower, you bag it and you tag it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So whatever the tag is, that's the tag for use at the time of harvesting. Okay. It tells you that when you're harvesting the blue, all blues come off on that week.
Oh, color coded.
Yeah. Every blue bunch will be harvested. Okay. And they will be all roughly the same age.
That's good.
So that they don't come to New Zealand. Half of the ship is ripe and half is not ripe. Because you need to take it 1 week on a ship, be on a shelf in the following week. So you either take 13 weeks or 12 weeks or 14 at the most, at the latest. Because if you're later after than that, more than that, it gets to New Zealand when it's ripe, and you're not allowed to do that.